Bay, roll me EMS and fire 1018. He just rolled it in the water here, upside down. Stand by.
The Bay County Sheriff's Office announced the arrest of David Anthony Snyder III after he fled from deputies just after midnight on March the 2nd, 2024. Deputies initially attempted a traffic stop on Snyder as he was traveling 60 miles per hour in a 30 mile per hour zone on Thomas Drive. Snyder slowed down once the deputy turned his lights on to signal that Snyder needed to stop. Then Snyder entered back into eastbound traffic lanes and sped up before turning north on Dolphin Drive. Snyder accelerated to a high rate of speed, almost hit a person on a bicycle, and continued northbound on Dolphin Drive. He crashed into the water at the Dolphin Drive County boat ramp, breaking 4 pilings in half before flipping his vehicle. Deputies went into the water to rescue Snyder. Once he was out of the water and back at the ramp, deputies asked if there was anyone else in the vehicle. Snyder told them he had been driving alone. EMS responded and took Snyder to a local medical facility for treatment, where he remains. Warrants have been issued for David Anthony Snyder III for fleeing and eluding and violation of probation, battery on a person 65 or older.
Bay, roll me EMS and fire 1018. He just rolled it in the water here, upside down. Stand by. Shit. Bay, he's probably 50 feet from the boat ramp, in the water upside down. I'm about to have to strip down and try to go in.
Or at least right here. So he's not. Brother. Hey, man.
Is there anyone else in the truck?
Are you by yourself?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
No one else in the truck?
Okay.
No one else in the truck with you?
Does anything else hurt?
Yes, sir.
Stay right there, relax. Okay. Okay, do you realize you just rigged your truck upside down in the water? And I just had to pull you out? Okay, that's where we're at right now.
Sir?
That's why I need you to just lay here and relax, okay? Got EMS coming to check you out, man.